Kerman means the land of hard work. A city surrounded by mountains in the middle of the largest desert of Iran, the Lut Desert. Kerman is among several cities in Iran with a strong cultural heritage, expressed in local handicrafts, buildings, poetry, customs, and accent. Evidences show the existence of this city dates back to at least 550 BC, when it was noted in one of the Achaemenid letters. But the history goes even further when we look nearby, where civilization was established 12,000 years ago, in its very close neighbor, Jiroft. Kerman is famous for its long history. Kerman city is home to many different ethnic groups. In the last decades, the city was among many trade routes. This has caused the passage of people from different ethnic cities, and many immigrated to this city. Increase of migrations have caused a great variety of accents and customs. For example, due to proximity of this city to the south of Iran, many people from the southeast of Iran come here to the market of this city to travel and shop. The market, which is considered to be the longest bazaar in Iran. This fascinating, large and crowded bazaar is a unique complex. Each part of the Kerman's bazaar was built during the time of one of the rulers of the city. And because of its feathers, it's unique in Iran and has world fame. One of the great parts of this large bazaar is Ganjali Khan complex. The man, Ganjali Khan, was one of the rulers of Kerman in Safavid era. He cared a lot about the safety, which was necessary for business in a city like Kerman. So he put a lot of effort to make the roads safe. As a result, people began to trade more through Kerman from the cities around, so business flourished in the city. Then he began to build a useful complex, as he believed buildings would be the good reputation for him through history. This complex contains a public bathhouse, a school, a square, caravanserai, water reservoir, a mint, a mosque, and of course, a bazaar. Many one built structures and complexes like this in the bazaar through the time. And still, this 420 years old one is fascinating in its own way. The Grand Bazaar of Kerman starts from Arg Square and reaches Mushtaq Square, where Mushtaq's tomb is located. A great musician and poet killed in a strange way, and his murder had many consequences in Iran history.
سلام آقا خوبی؟ خشنگ میدون مشتاق کجاست؟ همینه؟ پس چرا نوشته میدون شهدا؟ عوض کردن؟
گوشه هست کنبلا مشتاقیه یعنی
بعد انقلاب اسمش عوض شده؟
بله بعد انقلاب شهدا شد.
His burial place in Mushtaq Square is known as Mushtaqiye Dome or Three Domes. Mushtaq was stoned and killed in 1790 AD for the crime of reciting the Quran with an instrument voice called setar.
یعنی تو سن 30 سالگیش بوده تقریبا سنگسارش چرا؟ چون قرآن وقتی میخونده ستارم باش میزد بعد وقتی ستار میزده یه سیم ستار رو اون بهش اضافه کرد یعنی الان ستار 4 تا تار یه سیمش به سیم مشتاق
آفرین چه جالب
چه زمانی بوده می‌دونی؟
این نوشته 1206 هجری قمری.
اونه قبلش؟
نه اینه، ولی خب اینم دوستشه. وقتی ایشون سنگسار میکردن ایشون پریده جلو اون که ایشون سنگسار شه، اون نشه که با هم سنگسار شه.
His murder in Kerman had severe consequences. After the death of Mushtaq, Agha Muhammad Khan Qajar went to Kerman to ask for his blood. In the siege of Kerman, he cut out more than 20,000 pairs of eyes and beheaded all religious scholars who were involved in the death of Mushtaq. Another notable building in Mushtaq Square is Kerman Jame Mosque, a 7th century-old building that is still impressive. The date of construction of the building is mentioned in the inscription on the head of the main door, 7th century AD, but in the later periods, additions and repairs were made in the mosque. It's one of the mosques with 4 porches, which has a lofty entrance, a yard, and a chapel.